10 Clever Car Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Have you ever thought about how many times a simple gadget could save your life or completely change your driving experience? Every year, millions of drivers face unexpected emergencies, frustrating car troubles, or just those little annoyances that make a road trip feel like a chore. That's why staying equipped with clever, practical car gadgets isn't just smart, it's essential. Today, we're diving deep into 10 standout car gadgets available on Amazon in 2025 that blend innovation, safety, and convenience to keep you safe, prepared, and comfortable on the road. Rescam Emergency Escape Tool. Let's start with a device that could literally save your life in a moment of crisis. The Rescam Emergency Escape Tool. This compact, unassuming gadget is designed specifically for the most terrifying situation a driver might face: a trapped car after an accident. Imagine being stuck in a submerged or smoking vehicle with seconds ticking away. The Rescam tool features a spring-loaded glass breaker strong enough to shatter even the toughest car windows, plus a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter to help you escape quickly. It's small enough to clip to your keychain, meaning it's always within reach, unlike bulky tools hidden in the glove compartment. The real beauty here is in its simplicity and reliability. No batteries, no charging, just pure mechanical precision when you need it most. Artec Jump Starter, 8,000 milliamp hours. Next up is the Artec Jump Starter, with an 8,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, a powerful ally for those moments when your car refuses to start. Dead batteries are one of the most common and frustrating roadside emergencies, especially if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere or at an inconvenient time. This jump starter offers an incredible blend of compact design and robust performance, providing multiple jump starts on a single charge. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a portable power bank for charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices, making it invaluable on long road trips. It also includes essential safety features such as reverse polarity protection and short-circuit prevention, ensuring you can use it without worry. Lightweight and easy to store, this gadget turns a stressful breakdown into a manageable inconvenience. Robolt Google Assistant for Car. Imagine having a smart assistant who never takes a day off, always ready to help you navigate, play music, or send messages hands-free. That's exactly what the Robolt Google Assistant for Car brings to your vehicle. Plugging into your car's cigarette lighter and connecting via Bluetooth, this device integrates Google Assistant directly into your driving experience. You can ask it to find nearby gas stations, read your texts aloud, control smart home devices, or play your favorite playlist, all without lifting a finger. It helps reduce distractions and keeps your focus on the road while making your car feel smarter and more connected. EPAUTO Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. Tire maintenance is one of those things many drivers neglect, but it can make all the difference in safety and fuel efficiency. The EPAUTO Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a compact, reliable tool that gives you accurate readings in seconds. Its clear digital display removes the guesswork, letting you check and maintain proper tire pressure anywhere and anytime. Underinflated tires not only waste fuel, but also increase the risk of blowouts and uneven tire wear. With this gauge, you're empowered to keep your tires in optimal condition, extending their lifespan and ensuring a smoother ride. Noco Sound Deadening Mat. If you've ever been irritated by road noise or rattles in your car, the Noco Sound Deadening Mat is designed to transform your driving environment into a quiet, comfortable haven. Made from thick butyl rubber with an aluminum foil layer, these mats absorb vibrations and block external noise effectively. Installing them inside your car doors, floor, or trunk drastically reduces sound intrusion, allowing for better audio quality and a more peaceful ride. Beyond noise reduction, they also help regulate temperature inside your car, making your air conditioning or heating more efficient. For anyone who spends significant time behind the wheel, investing in sound deadening can elevate your daily commute or road trips from stressful to serene. McNally GPS Overdrive Pro. When it comes to navigation, the McNally GPS Overdrive Pro is more than just a GPS. It's a full-featured driving companion. Designed for professional drivers and road warriors alike, this device offers high-definition mapping, real-time traffic updates, and voice-activated navigation. It goes beyond simple directions by providing alerts about upcoming rest stops, fuel prices, weather, and even driver fatigue warnings. The large touchscreen is easy to read and interact with, making it ideal for long-haul trips or busy city driving. Plus, it integrates with smartphones and Bluetooth for hands-free calls and messaging. Surround Air XJ3000 Car Air Purifier. Breathing clean air inside your car is crucial, especially if you spend hours commuting or traveling through polluted areas. The Surround Air XJ3000 Car Air Purifier uses advanced filtration technology to remove dust, pollen, smoke, odors, and harmful particles from your vehicle's cabin. Compact and easy to install, it continuously circulates and purifies the air, making every breath fresher and healthier. Allergies, respiratory issues, and general discomfort caused by stale or contaminated air become a thing of the past. Its whisper-quiet operation means you won't even notice it's running, but you'll definitely feel the difference. Nect USBC Power Delivery Car Charger. Keeping your devices powered up while on the road is a modern necessity, and the Nect USBC Power Delivery Car Charger is a high-speed charging solution built for efficiency. With USB-C power delivery technology, it can rapidly charge compatible smartphones, tablets, and laptops directly from your car's 12-volt outlet. No more waiting hours for a full charge or worrying about losing battery during important calls or navigation. Its compact design doesn't take up much space, and the durable build ensures it withstands frequent use in travel. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or a family on the go, this charger keeps your essential devices ready without interrupting your journey. Tylus Stinger. Emergency tool. Similar in life-saving purpose but offering a multifunctional twist, the Tylus Stinger emergency tool combines a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and a flashlight into one sleek package. Designed for quick access and ease of use during emergencies, this tool is slightly larger but offers added functionality. The bright flashlight can be a beacon in dark or dangerous situations, increasing your visibility and safety. Its ergonomic grip allows for firm handling under stress, making it effective even when panic sets in. Whether you keep it in your car's console or glove box, the Tylus Stinger is a versatile gadget that prepares you for various roadside emergencies, offering peace of mind with every drive. Cup Holder Hero. Custom Fit Console. Liner Kit. Finally, the Cup Holder Hero. Custom Fit Console Liner Kit might sound simple, but it tackles a common annoyance with genius precision, keeping your cup holders and console areas clean and protected. Designed specifically for a wide range of car models, these liners fit snugly into your cup holders and console trays, catching spills, crumbs, and dirt before they can cause stains or sticky messes. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, they're removable and washable, saving you time and frustration. A clean interior not only looks better but also contributes to a more pleasant driving environment. If you found these gadgets insightful and want to stay ahead with the best car tech and safety gear, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Your next adventure on the road deserves the best tools, and I'll keep bringing you the top picks to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected.